guys, how's it going? In this video, I will be showing you how to convert files or folders containing files into an ISO image using this cool utility right here, ImageBurn. I will leave a link in the description below this video, and how you do this is you can do this, create an image from files or folders, or if you want to create an ISO image from a disk, say that a game or something, create an image file from disk. You do this, and what I'm going to be doing is doing this because I want to convert a file into an ISO image, and I will be doing that with, I have the Q file and binary files of Quake 2, which is an awesome first-person shooter. I'm probably preaching to the choir, but I will be converting this Q file into an ISO image. And how we do that is go to File, browse for a source file or folder. Either one of these will do. I'm going with File. And what we want to do is go to Q, and it will show up in the queue, and we just click this. And it will, I don't want to put it in documents. I want to put it in, there's the Quake 2 folder. Oh yeah, go here, and I am going to create it and put it in Quake 2 folder, which makes sense. Yeah, so that I can do that, create the ISO image, and play the heck out of it on my PCM virtual machine. Just do as it says. Yes, yes, oh, okay, it's good. So yeah, the ISO image has been created. It should have been created. And boom, we have successfully converted the Q file into an ISO image that you can mount on a virtual machine. And for some reason, the utility created duplicates of the former Q files. I have no idea why. The utility has a mind of its own. But anyway, that's how you do it. Yeah, and if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, please leave them. Suggestions as to what other videos I should make, by all means. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you.